Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Google Maps API key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To obtain a Google Maps API key, start by visiting the Google Maps platform. You'll need a Google account, so sign in using yours. As a new user, you'll have to agree to the terms of service first. Once signed in, create a new project if you don't already have one. Give your project a name and create it. After setting up your project, navigate to the Keys and Credentials section. Since you're a new user, Google will prompt you to provide some information, including your billing details. This step is necessary to verify that you're not a robot, but don't worry, you won't be charged unless you manually upgrade to a paid account. Once you fill out the billing information, you'll receive your API key. You can copy it from this section. It's a good idea to restrict your API key to enhance security. You can do this by selecting the restriction type, typically HTTP refers, which allows you to specify the domains where this key can be used. Add your domain, apply the restrictions, and now your Google API key will only work on the designated domain. If you need to access your API key later, you can find it again by going to the Keys and Credentials section, selecting your API key, and copying it from there. For those who want a simple way to create custom Google Maps without dealing with coding or API keys, you might want to check out Atlas. Atlas is a tool that lets you plot markers, style the map, and add features like search and tags. You can share or embed your custom map on any website. So that's basically how to get Google Maps API key. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.